Alright, y'all, listen up. Every shop needs order, and mine's no exception. Today, we're fixing to build a heavy-duty metal rack that'll last a lifetime. First step is cutting this stock down to size. But look here, see all this nasty rust? You can't lay down clean beads on dirty steel. Prep is everything, brother. We're gonna knock this rust off until she shines like a new dime. If you want a rack built like a tank, you gotta do the dirty work first. Let's get to it. Man, yeah, when that disc got stuck and just exploded. That shit scared the hell out of me. I'm not gonna lie, and my heart was racing. Stay safe out there, y'all. Wear your gear. Before I strike an arc, I always bevel the sharp edges on the metal. It makes the weld much stronger and cleaner. Now I'm laying everything out on my brand new welding table, making sure my angles are dead on. If your layout is off, the whole project is junk. Once she's square, it's time to melt some metal. I'm tacking the corners first, then laying down some solid beads. Flipping it over to burn it in for real. I gotta make sure these welds are deep and solid. After that, I'll just clean up the mess and throw on a coat of paint. The hard part's over. It's all downhill from here. Let's keep after it, y'all. This is why I love running with gas. Stick welding, man, I can't do that with a lick. That's just a mess. Gas is where it's at for me. And there she is, a solid metal rack to keep the shop in order. No more tripping over steel in the dirt. If you like this build, hit that subscribe button for more. See y'all in the next one.